Introducing the Cyclogic CL-IM20B BACnet IP Interface Module designed for Samsung HVAC systems. This compact gateway converts Samsung HVAC communication into standard BACnet IP, allowing seamless integration with building management systems, or BMS. With CL-IM20B, building engineers can monitor and control indoor units, including operation mode, fan speed, temperature set points, and error codes, all from a centralized BACnet platform. The CL-IM20B features a 1.3-inch OLED display that provides clear visibility of system status in real time. Multiple LED indicators are located on the front panel, showing the communication status of BACnet and HVAC transmission. These visual indicators make it easy for engineers to check network activity instantly without connecting additional tools. The device also comes in a wall mount type design, allowing quick and secure installation inside HVAC control panels or on flat surfaces. The CL-IM20B communicates directly with indoor and outdoor units through the F1 and F2 communication lines. These terminals receive and transmit HVAC system data such as operating mode, temperature, and fan speed. On the other side, the CL-IM20B connects to the BACnet IP network via Ethernet, enabling seamless integration with building management systems. This dual interface design ensures stable, two-way communication between the Samsung HVAC system and any BACnet-based master platform. In this demonstration, we'll perform a three-stage test to verify real-time monitoring and two-way control between Samsung SNet and Yade. In the first stage, we verify data monitoring. Samsung SNet displays two indoor units. Unit 0 is in cool mode, with fan speed set to mid, a set point of 84 degrees F, and a room temperature of 78 degrees F. Unit 1 is also in cool mode, with fan speed set to low, a set point of 77 degrees degrees, and a room temperature of 79 degrees degrees. The same data appears identically in white, confirming successful BACnet IP data communication. In Stage 2, we will control the operation mode and fan speed directly through the BACnet system, and then verify that these changes are correctly updated on Samsung SNet in real time. For Unit 0, we switch the operation mode from cooling to fan mode and set the fan speed to high. These commands are issued through BACnet, and we will verify that SNet updates accordingly. In Stage 3, we will perform control testing for the temperature set point and the on-off operation. This allows us to confirm that both commands are synchronized correctly between BACnet and Samsung SNet. For Unit 0, we first adjust Unit 1's temperature set point to 75.6 Fahrenheit. After the set point update, we perform the second control operation by turning the unit off. Through this demonstration, the CL-IM20B BACnet IP Interface Module has proven its capability to deliver stable, real-time communication between Samsung HVAC systems and BACnet-based building management platforms. Designed for professional integration, it bridges the gap between HVAC field networks and smart building automation. Thank you.